Hi everyone, in this video I would like to go quickly over how to use Blackboard Collaborate Ultra for your group recording. So the first thing we need to do is to click on my group. So you'll need to click on my group in order to see your group that you have been assigned to, and then you click on this link of your group and then you click on Collaborate. So when you click on Collaborate, you can click on Join Room, and then when all team members click on Join Room, everybody will be there. And then when everyone is already there, you can start recording and go through your presentation. And then when you are done, you can stop recording by clicking on this guy. So you can do, there are more features of Collaborate. You can click on this link, just have to expand, and then you can see here if you want to chat, and you can see everyone who is in your team by clicking on that icon, and then you can click on this icon here to see other members who are participating. And then there are some other features as well that you can click on when you click on that setting. Here there are some other features as well that you can utilize. And then when you are all done, you can leave session, and it will take a while for it to populate the recording for you. So then if there are some other files that you want to upload, you can go to File Exchange and you go Add and then Browse File, and you can go from there. So that's all that I wanted to go through, and I wish you all the best with your final project.